As a content creator, you spend hours filming, recording, editing, and publishing every video. That's not content creation, that's a second job. Whether you're a food and recipe content creators, fitness and personal training creators, beauty and makeup tutorial creators, tech and software tutorial creators, DIY and home renovation. Are you trying to grow your channel? This is built for you. With TuberStudio, you can fix it. StepGen, paste a YouTube URL and get a complete step-by-step guide in 30 seconds. Idea Engine weekly content ideas tailored to your channel and what's trending. CreatorCard, an auto-generated media kit that makes brands want to work with you. No designer needed. BlogCast, every video becomes an SEO-ready blog post, so you can rank on Google too. CarouselMaker turns your guide into a ready-to-post carousel. Branded, zero design work. YouTube SEO Optimizer. Optimize titles, descriptions, keywords, and tags, ready to copy and publish. 6 tools, 1 creator. Try TuberStudio free. No credit card required. Visit www.tuberstudio.ai.